How to log in Ring app. Welcome to Lemme Help, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To log into your Ring app, open up your Play Store first and foremost and search for Ring app. If you have not installed it, make sure to install it. Then click on the Open button. Now tap on the Allow button. To create an account, select on Create Account. Enter your first name and your last name. Select on Continue. Then tap on the country and enter your email address that you currently use. Create a password for your account to secure it. Once done, just click on the Create Account button at the bottom. Next step is to verify yourself. In order to do that, in the entered phone number, you'll be sent an OTP code. Just enter it for verification. Once verified, you have created yourself your Ring app account. You can set up a device that is the doorbell, security cams, and more. And you can easily check out the live location of your surrounding through this app. And that's all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.